Hi, so I'm going through my closets and trying to decide what should stay and what should go. So my first little segment here are going to be some shorts. I have a lot of shorts, but I want to, these are the ones that I think that I need to make a decision whether they should stay or should go. Some of them are from college. And some of them are just maybe not my style anymore. So these are the different ones. I have a stack of them here. Those were my like go-to shorts because longer shorts weren't really easy to find for me. And now I've grown up a little bit and I think they may be a little too short now. So I'm going to try them on, snap a pic, and then decide what stays and what goes. Okay, so I'm having a hard time deciding on these. They feel better than the other ones that I tried on. However, I think I have shorts that I like better now that fit better than these. So I think I'm going to toss these. I'm not going to toss them. I'm going to find a good home for them and keep the ones I have that I like better. I kind of have the same thoughts about these, that they're a lot more comfortable than the colorful ones that I had. But I think I have some that I like better. I got these in college. I think at Dillard's. But I think I'm going to put these in the maybe pile. Don't know yet. These, I was surprised they fit. These just aren't my style anymore. They look too much like biker shorts. If I'm gonna wear biker shorts, I might as well wear comfy biker shorts. And also, like where the snap is, it like comes down and I'm more of a high-waisted girl now. So these are sayonara. I need to clean this mirror. So I'm a little conflicted on these because whenever I first saw them, I was like, oh, these are definitely not my style anymore. But I tried them on and they don't look too bad. They may be, see how much I wear them this year, because I don't mind them. And I thought I was not going to like them at all. So I guess I'll hold on to these. Okay, and then I'm gonna have to make a decision between these and these, because I think these two were kind of my, like theme park pants that I would wear because they were a good length. They were tight around the leg. And they weren't terrible. I just wish they were more of a high rise now because that's what I like. But I'm going to decide if I'm going to keep these or those as my theme park shorts. Okay, I think I'm going to keep the other ones, even though I like the way, like the big cuff on these. They're just a little tighter. But I do like them. I used to have like multiple pairs of them. Oh, I'm getting attached. I'm getting attached. I'm getting attached. I may hold on to them. Yeah, I'm gonna hold on to them. I can't make up my mind, so I'm gonna hold on to them. And then these pairs, this pair is really comfy, but if I recall correctly, that it makes wedgies really bad. So I think that's kind of a time to go type thing. Like even when I first got them, I was like, oh, these kind of make wedgies really bad. I think I got them at Dress Barn when I was in college. So, yeah. Now I have 7 pairs that I'm getting rid of and keeping 4, but I'm crazy and I have decided to try on the rest of my shorts that I have in my bins that I keep. And I'm going to try them on, show you what I like, and hopefully I don't find any that don't fit anymore because I really like the shorts that I have kept. So I'm going to go ahead and go through this. So I have 3 more bins of shorts to try on right now. Okay, these are 7 jeans. I believe I probably got them at Sam's Club because that's who sells sells 7 jeans, and after trying these on, I think I can get rid of these because I feel like these are kind of like the same thing, kind of, and these are a lot more comfortable and bigger, and I think that they would be good amusement park pants in replacement of these. So goodbye 8. Yes. So I have these shorts, which are actually a lot like these shorts. Like, look at the pattern. They're almost the exact same. So these are going. Boom. Because I have 2 pairs of these. I have 2 pairs of these in 2 different sizes, depending on what kind of year I had and my size at the summertime. I think, if I'm not mistaken, these may have came with belts as well. But these are so much more comfier than those other ones. Let me tell you, adult pants are so much more comfortable than juniors pants. Just throwing that out there. I mean, I do have some newer juniors pants that are comfortable, but ladies pants, so much more comfortable than juniors. This is another 7 brand that I got at Sam's Club. I'm fairly certain that other shorts that I just had on were also from Sam's Club, but I also have 2 different sizes in these as well. I just like being a little bit more modest. And in case this is your first time ever watching my videos, yes, I have a Barbie collection. I've had it since I started when I was 3 years old. And so now they're on display everywhere. They have been for a very long time, but this room was not accessible until after we remodeled. So yes. Okay, so first off, this is not the ideal shirt that I would wear with these pants. I got these at, I believe, JCPenney's at the end of the season last year, and I haven't even got a chance to wear them, but I love this high-waisted, and they are a great length for me, and I feel like not exposed and covered up, and I have no worries about like muffin top hanging out or anything like that. So I love the style, and I hope it stays in style forever. Okay, this is the last of my jean colored shorts. This is another like high-waisted pant like this. Again, not the ideal shirt that I would wear. I got these at Target. I liked kind of the acidy wash on these, and they are really comfortable. So out of the pants that I was originally thinking of getting rid of, I only kept 2, which is kind of a big deal. Now I have my natural colors and my wild colors to try on. So whenever I was getting rid of that other pair of black shorts, man, this mirror, that helped. I kept in mind that I had other black shorts. I have 2 of the same pairs in 2 different sizes. And I like these a lot better, and they're a lot more comfortable. Here are my khaki pants that I have 2 different sizes in, and yeah, these are from Sam's Club. Most of these are from Sam's Club, but I love them. So nothing from that box is leaving, nothing. But I'm wondering now if jean and the khaki one, or like the neutral colors, can go all together. I don't know why I'm using my hands. Onto this box. I took a picture of these, but they didn't look that flattering, but I do like these. I like the length of them. So hopefully this video is more flattering than the picture I took. I love the detailing on these. I cannot tell if these pants are blue or black. Can you tell? I think they're blue because I grabbed my other black pants and yeah, I think they're blue, but I could not tell. I was about to say, oh, another pair of pants to get rid of because they're the same colors, but nope, these are blue. Wow, new outfit right here, discovered. I'm kidding. I got these at Target last year and I love them. They're so soft and so comfy, little baggy, but just have to be careful. Okay, last pair. These are another pair that I bought, I believe, at JCPenney's at the end of the season, and they need some wrinkle spray real bad. But they're cute, they're high-waisted. If they didn't have wrinkles, they'd be really good. Hi, baby. Did you come to try on clothes? Did you come to try on clothes? Come here. Come here. Hey, your baby. Yeah. You want to try on clothes with me? Huh? You silly girl. Yes. Collar's getting so big. He's the baby. Oh, have I been filming the wrong way this whole time? Oh my goodness. I've been filming like Instagram style and not YouTube style. I'm so mad. But would I been able to get full body shot? Yes. Yes, I would have. I'm really mad now. But at least I figured it out video number 1 and not like 5 videos in. But, so I'm going to put like a disclaimer at the beginning of the video. Sorry, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay? So there we go. Filming the right way now. Maybe I was earlier, but not whenever I was trying stuff on. Okay, so, all the pants. Here they are. Does anybody on the face of this earth need this many shorts? Absolutely not. But, I like this lighting better. But, someday, future husband, I have all the shorts I need. I don't need to buy any, right? Totally my theory. Speaking of buying some, I bought some at Sam's and Costco. They're in my drawer to do a try on of things I have recently bought. It's a never-ending cycle. But also, don't have a husband yet, so that argument is moot. Moot? But the point is probably moot. Yeah. So, I'm going to put these in the bins, and I will be right back with you. So that is my shorts segment of Should It Stay or Should It Go? Just came up with the title of this while I was filming. So this is the stay, and these were the go, which there's like 8 or 9 pairs of shorts here, which I know that's not a lot compared to what I have, plus what's in that drawer of what I bought. But it's all right. It'll be fine. So, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next segment of Should It Stay or Should It Go, featuring jeans. Mixture of colored jeans and regular jean denim color. So, thanks. Bye.